Okay, I know who it is. Took me a minute.
Yep, it disappeared. Somebody drank it all.
Oh. He had to run down to the local liquor store. Okay, next award going to David Hertzner III with an '88 Ford Mustang from Peru. Okay. Next award is going to a '79 Dodge Little Red Express. Grinning. Nolasco from Peru.
Hey, tell Joe I said that.
Next award going to a '96 Chevy Silverado, Barb and Jean
Archara.
Archara? I was close, I hope. They're from Streeter. Jean Help. Smith, thank you. Art Charlotte? I probably still ain't got it right. Next award going to Jesse Quick from Chillicothe in an '04 Chevy 2500, heavy duty. Next award going to Steve Jenner out of Amboy with an '03 Chevy Silverado. Okay, sorry, I was confused. Next award is going to... Who didn't get their plaque? Steve Jenner from Amboy. Is he here? I believe it's that big white truck over there is his. Next award is going to Keith Barth with a '67 Ford F100.
Right here, this young man right here.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy, come here. Come here. What's his name? Tyler. He's looking at her like, what are you talking about? Okay, now we're to the motorcycle. It's John Althouse with his '06 Harley. Okay, I messed up. I humbly apologize. Now, don't anybody leave because we still have more awards, okay? So don't jump in vehicles and leave and think you haven't won anything yet. Next award is going Jerry and Julie Hutchinson from Peoria with their '57 Studebaker. Jerry, Julie. Woo-hoo.
She's coming.
Oh, there she is. You were hiding. You got a cool spot, didn't you? Yeah. Next award is going to Steve and Margie Dahl from Henry with an 2000 Ford Ranger. Well, Steve, you are here. You've been so quiet all day. Yeah, we know. We put more out of Margie than we have you. Usually she's the quiet one. Okay, next award, and this will be the last of the top 30, then we'll move on to the top 10. Stan Beats from Varna with a '61 Chevy Bel Air.
It's right behind you.
That woman with the red Mustang.
Okay, we're moving on to the top 10. Here we go. Dave Chapman, Oglesby, with a 72 Chevy Chevelle SS. Okay, next award going to Kevin Marzetta from Oglesby, 1974 Box 302. Hey Kevin, did you ever find your window shield? Nope, never found it.
Thank you.
Let's just take a break.
Hey Kevin, when you leave, head over that way. There is something laying over there, but I can't see what it is. Okay, next award going to Mike from Putnam. 70 Dodge Charger RT. Mike.
Say the last name. Come on.
For Harchuk? Really? Oh, 2 points for Denise today. And the next one I'll screw up. Okay, out of LaSalle, Stabe? I said it wrong, I know it is. 32 Ford Staub. Is it Staub? Yeah. Okay, sorry, Steve. 32 Ford 3 window. Next award is going to Dennis Geither out of Princeton, 58 Chevy Bel Air. Next award is going to Steve and Margie Dahl from Henry with a 64.5 Ford Mustang convertible. Next award is going to Steve Kelp from Henry with a 37 Chevy pickup.
You're welcome.
Oh, Margie's all hot and sweaty. Come on. He's a honey. Hey, Steve, keep your eye on this woman. Next award going to Dan and Maria Garcia from Kiwani with a 92 Chevy Sportside. Where's Danny at? I know he's here.
No, he's in the white shirt. There you go.
They will. Yeah.
Job page.
This is the
White one. That's the white one.
We got
white. This is the white truck.
We gotta have.
Did Danny get up here and I missed him?
Yeah.
Man, I wasn't even able to give him a bad time. That's not fair.
This is the white truck. That is somebody. This is the white truck.
That's what.
Yeah.
Okay. These two go. Top truck.
Hang on a minute.
Oh, I didn't know.
Okay, ouch. Next award, oh, wait a minute, I gotta find it. I'm slow. I'm on the wrong page. I do that a lot. Is for what?
Okay, these two next awards, they're in the top 10. What I want you to do is stick around because next year you will be on the plaque and you will get an individual plaque and you will be invited back. There will be no entry fee for the feature vehicles, but I have to make sure I get enough pictures so I can go ahead and put them on the plaque. So we'll go ahead and hand those out. And then we'll do the best of.
Am I thoroughly confused now, Rocky?
Yes, you are.
Okay, I'm thoroughly confused, so. Okay. Motorcycle goes to Pig Craft from Henry in an 01 Brawler Custom. And are you serious, Pig?
Yes, ma'am. Big. Thank you. Hey, Big.
They won't tell you his real name.
Pictures for the plaque.
Truck Oh boy, I cannot believe. Honey, was your mama mad at you when you were born? Okay, next one. Truck Carl Ham from Sparling with a 56 Chevy pickup. We okay now?
I said you better, because he won't answer to anything else.
What are we doing? He confuses me. Okay, feature vehicle awards. We haven't got to the best of yet. Okay, feature vehicle award sponsored by Browning Ford is going to Stan Veets. Which one's his car? The red one. That tells me nothing.
61 Chevy.
Thank you, 61 Chevy. Doesn't let me look at the front of the plaques long enough. Oh, thank you. This is the Roadster, sponsored by Browning Ford.
Harold, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Drzinski.
Oh, that's Harold Brzezinski. Yeah, I met him earlier today. Harold. Oh, serious.
What? Yeah. What?
Jim somebody.
Okay, the next feature vehicle sponsored by Browning. Oh, cute little Miss Princess person. Congratulations, that was great.
Stanley there.
Okay. This is the best of? Yes, that's the show sponsored by McLean Ford Mercury. Henry? Oh! This nice gentleman here is from Amboy Depot days. Those of you that have been around the car show circuit long enough know they have what they call the best of the best. Okay? And what they do is the best of show winners at how many shows, John?
13 to 14.
13 to 14 different shows throughout the area. They come and their best of show winner goes on to the best of the best at Amboy. There's no entry fee. You show up, you don't have to wait in that line that's for out to 52 or out to 30 on 52. But make sure you see this gentleman right here. John, turn around and wave at him. Very good. 2 points for you. Best of show is going to Normal, Illinois in a 38 Olds touring sedan, two-door touring sedan, Leon Bolline. Now, the best of show winner here also receives $50. His eyes got bigger over the $50 than it did the award. He's standing there going, ooh, money.
That's right.
Well, you don't have to, but your buddy can.
Where you getting fried chicken?
You don't want a picture
Oh, no, I didn't say go anywhere. What are you people all walking away for? No, I'm kidding. Go ahead. But before you all do get out of here,
Rocky's credit card now?
I'm getting his phone number for later.
Got 2 tens. Got change for 20. Hand it in.
You.
Oh no, we're good.